the channel, guys. It's Up Fab. I'm Jim.
I'm Josh.
We're out here working on the 51 Dodge Dually today. And we got a little something to show you under the hood.
So this is the kind of stuff you can expect on this channel. It is an old 51 dually flatbed that kind of everybody left for dead. And we decided, no, that's not good enough. We're going to put a 5.9 in it, and we're going to put a big turbo on it. And we're going to put a crazy suspension underneath it, and it's going to be like nothing you've ever seen. I can promise you that. Alright, I'm going to close this because you guys are just going to get distracted and stare at my turbo the whole time. And that's just not right. That's for another time. So that's kind of an overview of what our first project's going to be. Beyond that, I mean, we got a lot of projects, stuff we've already built that we want to kind of make faster, better, stuff we want to build.
Yeah, the builds are never done, that's for sure.
You know, we got a lot of stuff that you're probably going to see on the channel at some point or another. You know, you got, a 78 Trans Am.
Yeah, I got a 78 Trans Am with a 455 olds. I got a 68 Firebird. It's going to go 454 big block with probably similar turbo setup to this.
You know, I got a 67 F100. My wife's got a 79 Trans Am with an LS1 and a T56.
This isn't going to be one of those channels where we build something fancy and you never see it again. Definitely going to push this thing to the limits.
We build stuff to enjoy it, to drive it, to beat on it, to break it, to make it better. That's what we like. So now that you got an intro to Jim and me and both of our projects and kind of our first project here, we're going to wrap it up, and we hope you guys want to stick around and watch what we're going to do, and because we think it's going to be pretty cool. We're going to do this stuff whether you guys watch or not, and maybe you guys want to come along and you'll enjoy it. I don't know, that didn't seem so hard. I don't know why these YouTubers say it's so difficult. One shot.
One shot, that's all it takes.
Okay, so we'll do the channel intro now.
Fire me up!
That's taken.
That's taken? Beat me up, Scotty!
That's for the boomers.
Boomers?
Yeah, they like that one. There's no good catchphrases left.
Boogity, boogity, boogity?
No, I think that was some F1 guy.
Yeah.
Some fancy racing we can't afford.
My name's Daryl. That's my brother. His name's Daryl. And I come from a long line of Daryls.
My name is Daryl, not Daryl.
Damn it, Daryl.
Alright, now you guys got kind of an intro to what we're doing here and who we are. I don't know, that's how we end it, right?